Well, welcome back to the channel, Ron. You guessed it, I'm back on the O2 Plymouth Voyager. I know what you're thinking. Why don't I just get rid of this thing? Because I'm always working on it. But you need to understand that this is always on the road. I mean, this is just non-stop. It's a soccer mom's band just on steroids. So, you know, just bear with me. This is a quick and easy fix. The directional switch has malfunctioned. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. So I've replaced this years ago, so I'm familiar on how to replace this. So this really is a quick and simple fix. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, nothing to it. We need to remove these screws. Okay, remove that top cover, bottom cover, get those out of the way. And there should be, and there's a little locking device here that keeps us from falling out. So just click on that and kind of pull it down, and it should release that whole plug. And then there are two Phillips screws, one right here and one on top. And you should be able to just pull that out of there, just like that. And then all you need to do is take the one that you picked up. I picked up this morning at a junkyard for about 20 bucks. So just kind of prep that or whatever you need to do. And then just plug it right back in. Just like that. And then go ahead and reverse the process. Put the screws back in. Go ahead and plug that bottom clip back in. And go ahead and put the covers back on. And then the bottom one. Okay, it's kind of, the sun's kind of coming in here a little bit, but I think you can see. Go ahead and turn on the ignition. And let's go ahead and try it. There we go. There's the right side. And then there is the left side. Well, there it is. Not a whole lot to it. The cow one, I think if you remember my last video, I did the ignition switch. So the cow one goes on and off the same way, but there's less to take off. The only thing that I didn't like was the paint or whatever they used, the marker, wasn't quite dry. So I had to kind of wipe that up after I got done. But it's all back up and going, and it's good to go. So thanks an awful lot for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.